the National Nutrition Council, ably represented here by Ma'am Cheryl Sedantes. Palakpakan ka si Ma'am Cheryl. The Agriculture is represented here by Sir Hector Mayo. The Pigeon Row, PPO, other NGAs, NGOs, CSOs, friends from the media, I will not fail to say that, whose technical expertise and collaboration are critical in achieving our goals. Allow me to tell you a story, a familiar one in public health, yet still too often repeated. A child is born, small, underweight. Her mother was undernourished during pregnancy, and even before that, during her own childhood. The child struggles to thrive, sickly, stunted, and behind in school. This is not merely biology. This is the intergenerational cycle of malnutrition, shaped by poverty, inequality, and denial of basic rights, including access to nutritious food. This story should not be the norm, and under the leadership of Governor Arthur Toto Defensor Jr., we in the province of Iloilo have taken bold steps to change this narrative. His vision of a province where no child is left behind in education and dignity and in health is deeply aligned with the Sustainable Development Goals, especially zero hunger, good health and well-being, and reduced inequalities. Governor Toto understands that nutrition is foundational to the development. He always says, health, nutrition and sanitation is basic. Nagputang nila sa ulo. Nutrition and sanitation is basic. Wala si Gov Toto, pero kung na siya kinahambal na perfect. No? So, we are to build a strong, productive, and resilient Iloilo. We must begin ensuring that every child is nourished, body, mind, and spirit. So today, as we begin this celebration, may we renew our collective commitment. Let us not stop at awareness by having this Nutrition Month celebration,